Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar.
Hey, how's your day going? Hey, it's been good so far. Just following my usual routine at home. What about you? Same here. I woke up around 7 a.m., had breakfast, and then did some yoga to start the day. That sounds relaxing. I woke up a bit later, around 8:30 a.m., and then took a quick shower. Nice. After yoga, I did some work on my laptop for a couple of hours. What did you do next? I made myself a cup of coffee and spent some time reading a book in the morning. That's nice. Around noon, I took a break and made lunch. What about you? I had a light lunch and then cleaned up the kitchen. After that, I watched a movie in the afternoon. Sounds like a chill day. After lunch, I did some household chores and then went for a walk in the evening. Going for a walk is a good idea. I might do that later too. What are your plans for this weekend? Not much, just tackling some household chores. How about you? Same here. I've got a list of things I need to get done around the house. What's on your list? Well, I need to do laundry and organize my closet. It's been overdue. Sounds like a busy day. I need to vacuum, mop the floors, and declutter the living room. We should motivate each other to get it all done efficiently. Definitely. Want to start early tomorrow morning? Sounds like a plan. I'll grab some cleaning supplies and we can tackle our tasks together. Perfect. We can take breaks in between and maybe order some takeout for lunch. Great idea. Let's reward ourselves for being productive. After we're done, we can relax and watch a movie or something. That sounds like a perfect way to unwind after a day of chores. Absolutely. Let's make this weekend a productive and enjoyable one. Looking forward to it. See you tomorrow morning, ready to conquer those chores. See you then. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video then please like, subscribe and share this video.